Listen, be able to go from there. I'll tell you what, part of the reason that we come here,
but we just need some time to reflect and just to think about it.
Well, you know, we can do it with it. We can do it with it.
Yeah, we're that's fine. Yeah, we have a couple people coming in. They've been waiting outside, so my apologies. We need to get to them. I appreciate it, Terry. Thanks so much, Casey.
Oh, actually, it's the other way around.
Oh, my apologies. Yeah. Chris, yeah, just finish up with them and
okay.
Take care of them. Okay?
All right, thanks, Bill.
Have a good one.
Gonna make you howl at the red room.
I still don't get it.
Get what?
It's going back to music.
No.
Well, he's got cigarette tricks and
I feel like I'm living a lie.
Who isn't?
What?
Don't hurt yourself with that thing now, Chris. Look at you. What did you do to me?
What do you mean?
The way things are now, all them timeshares. We had a chance, you know.
We took a chance. We did what we did. It's not so bad. Is it?
You remember how to howl at the river?
No.
Let me see. We're gonna play this now. Gonna make you howl at the rhythm. Gonna make you howl at the river. Gonna make you howl at the river. Gonna make you howl at the river. Well, he's got cigarette tricks and he's got a silver crucifix and he won't see the same fool twice. If he lives to be 100, gonna make you howl at the rhythm. Gonna make you howl at the rhythm. Gonna make you howl at the rhythm. Make you howl at the rhythm.